Good morning, dear student. Here I am explaining to you one theorem. Theorem means if any kind of the statement is there in mathematics, so how it is coming and what is the logic of behind of it. So that logic we have to solve through theorem. Okay. So the theorem is in triangle property, angle sum property. Angle sum property. The name of this theorem, angle sum property. Okay. What is in it? इसके अंदर क्या होता है? If we have a make a one triangle, you know the this statement. If the sum of three interior angle in a one triangle, their sum should be equal to 180 degree. Already you will learn this kind of the statement. So how is it coming? We will solve and through this theorem. Okay. So here this first time you have to learn theorem statement. So you have to prepare it yourself how to write, how to solve this theorem. Always remember, first we have to write in theorem given. What the given condition? This is a step we have to follow it and writing in theorem. Given, then after we write here to prove. क्या प्रूव करना होता है? Then third is construct. आप कौन से किस चीज़ को कंस्ट्रक्ट करके इसको सॉल्व कर रहे हो. फोर्थ, प्रूफ. कैसे प्रूफ करना होता है? दिस इज द मेन आंसर ऑफ प्रूफ. Okay, this four point we have to take to solve this theorem angle sum property. So here this triangle is given and the name of this triangle is A B C. Okay, the naming of this triangle A B C. So here I am writing the first point of my theorem given. I told already given. क्या given है? A triangle A triangle is okay. Then after to prove, what the things we have to prove it? Here I mention the angle numbers here. This is angle 1, 2 and 3. Clear? To prove, what you have to prove it? Sum of three interior angles, so that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. You have to prove this statement equal to 180 degree in this triangle. Clear it? How to solve this triangle? First you have to write given a triangle is ABC. Then after to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Then after the construct. For proving we have to do some construction here. And what construction I am doing here? I draw here line from C point. When I will draw here line from C point, then I construct this one line. This is a parallel of this AB. This line is a parallel of AB. This, and I am writing the name of this line X and Y. This is the X and this is the Y. Okay, and this line, it's a parallel of this AB line. We are constructing this XY line. So what the point you have to write here? Construct. What the construct we have did here? A line segment from C point XY. Draw a line segment XY from C point, that is parallel to XY parallel to AB. Understand now? Therefore XY parallel to AB. You can, that is means you have to write I dot E. That is means, that is के लिए क्या symbol होता है? I dot E. That is I dot E. You have to write it. I dot E XY parallel है AB. Clear? Now next point is your proof. How to prove this theorem? If you will look this picture, this figure, you can see here is this one. These are the parallel line XY and AB, and this one AC is a transversal line. Okay, so here I am giving the naming of the here I am giving the naming of angles. Here I am giving the naming of angle 4 और यहाँ पे मैंने angles का name दे दिया 5. If you will look, this AC is a transversal line in between of XY and AB. So transversal line, the property you know it, alternate interior angles are equal. So 4 will be equal to 1, same as the 5 will be equal to 2. So here I am writing this thing. If AB is a parallel to XY and transversal line are lines are AC and BC. Okay, so what the conclusion is here? You can write here angle 4 is equal to angle 1 and angle 5 is equal to angle 2. The reason you have to write the reason always in a bracket. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. These are the reason, that's why these are the angles are equal, because we know AB is a parallel to XY and transversal line are AC and BC. According to this statement we can say angle 4 is equal to angle 1, angle 5 is equal to angle 2, this angle. Okay, same as for in this one, angle 2 will be equal to angle 5. Now next one, last, from C point, if we will observe, there is a linear pair. From C point, using linear pair property, So what is it? If we will remember it, what is it? Sum of three angles, angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. According to the linear pair definition, on a one line, if you can see the more than angles, then you can add them and them equal to 180 degree. Now, according about this statement, we can say the 4 equal to angle 1 and 5 equal to angle 2. So here I am writing 4 replaced with this angle 1, 3 as it is, and angle 5 replaced with this angle 2 equal to 180 degree. From above statement, always write the reason where you have to write any kind of the changes in any statement. Okay. Now, what you have to prove? This angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180. So what I observe here, angle 1 plus 3 plus 2. So you can write also like that, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. So we proved our this statement. So you can write here hence proved. Understand now the theorem, how to do it?